Hello friends, myself Harish. Welcome in my video series on Tkinter. So in last video we have seen the first widget, that is the label. Now in this video I'll just tell you something about entry widget. So entry is same as your text box in the other languages. So in last video I created this. I'll just open this terminal. Here one text editor, and from Tkinter import this, create one object, this tk, then give the name, so that is title is my entry widget, and geometry, this is for the size 350 by 250, and win dot min loop. So save it. This is entry dot py, right? Now in last video we have seen the labels. So first I'll create one label here, my label, suppose 1 equals to label, that object, and text, suppose name. You can use any geometry manager here, suppose my label 1 dot grid. Here this is row 0 column 0. Again this is about first label, and I can use my, or suppose I'll just use text box, right? Because in other languages we use this term text box. So this is entry. Again here this entry is capital, and specify that object only, and text box dot grid. See, that is row 0 and column should be 1. I'll tell you how it is to be. I think file name is entry small. Okay. Sorry. What is, oh, this is not defined, my label. My label 1, this one. See, this is name, that name location is the 0 0, and that text, whatever the text pose, that location, because we need immediate after that name. So in same 0th row and column should be 1, so this one. So here you can type anything. Again you can, for simplicity I'll just copy this, paste it. Suppose label 2, and this name is address, and here I'll just use this text box 1, and location as, this is 1, this is 1. So if I run this, you can see this name, you can type here address Jalgaon. So this is about the entry. So if you like my video, please subscribe it. Thank you. Thank you very much.